Okay, so in this step, we are now going to do the finish touching or the finish prepping for the actual hinge removal and then the new kit installation. So there's a few things we have to cut, a few things we have to remove. I'm gonna go ahead and go through that right now. So for this, you're going to need a multi-tool, the cutter, and a 10mm socket. And that's pretty much it for this final prep of the pre-installation. Now, obviously I've referred to a multi-tool quite a few different times in this series of the installation how-to. Obviously, if you're not comfortable with a multi-tool, you can use a Dremel if you can. Even some of our installers are not really comfortable with the multi-tool just because it can go so wrong so quick. So you really have to have a good handle on it. You have to have some good experience with the multi-tool, especially cutting metal, because you are very, very close to some painted parts of this car, and one slip and it's all she wrote. So I encourage you to use whatever tool that you're comfortable with in this cutting process. But this right here, this tab right here, we're just going to cut this straight down this kind of curvature right here. We're gonna free this section up from right here because this tab that's back here that this is bolted into, we have to remove that tab, and we just remove it by bending it backwards. And then this tab down here, we cut this tab off straight down the edge here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this now, and then we'll cut that. We also will make a slice of this fabric in a certain area right here. So let's go ahead and get that cut right now. Now be sure you pay attention to these wires that are right underneath this thing before you start cutting anything. So there's that cut. Now most of you probably won't have one, but I recommend ordering one of these little handheld blowers on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. It is going to save you a nightmare down the road in cleaning, pre-taping, all that stuff, because you can just turn it on and just blow off everything that you just cut, all the little shavings you don't want. And you cannot and do not go up and just wipe this car down to wipe it off, because you will cause surface scratches in the clear coat. You have to blow it off. So once that's cut, I'm gonna take this 10, detach that, and this is trash. I just turn my tool around, making sure you know where the leading edge of this bumper or the door is, and then just lightly hitting this to bend this tab so you can free it up to more safely and aggressively bend that back like that. So now we're going to go ahead and cut as close to the frame as we can, straight down on this tab right here, and chop that off. Just like that. Take your blade and start close to the frame, come up as high as you can, cutting this, and then just cut that off, like so. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna repeat that process on the other side, and what you should have is both sides looking like this. And once you've confirmed both sides are done, I always just straighten the wheel back up, just get the tires straight, pointing straight. And that is all there is to the final prep for kit installation.